Hey, hey, hey. Happy weekend. All right, you guys, how many of you are doing cookouts, picnics, potlucks, church potlucks, get-togethers, and you have to make something yummy, unique, but also easy? I got you. Homemade baked beans, sort of, because I'm still using canned baked beans, okay? But we're going to jazz it up. And if you guys have a traditional recipe that you enjoy, then you can always just jazz it up with some extra ingredients to make it feel extra special. So I went ahead and bought, I'm Kathy, by the way. If you're new to my channel, Kathy Dryden, you're kicking back in my kitchen. I got ones that already have bacon and brown sugar and onion. I'm going to add more onion, but I'm going to go ahead and use and trust these ingredients in here. I'm not going to add those because it's already there, so we don't need to do a double whammy. Now, there are some things we're going to do double whammy. So this is our smooth edge can opener. Usually a can of beans, I would say, is good for 3 to 4 people. I'm going to do 2 just so we have some leftovers for any dinners that we have this week. How are you guys? What are you guys doing this weekend? That is so nice. It's sunny, it's bright, red, white, and blue. So you just take this to pull the top off, the lid. And the reason it's called smooth edge is because it never touches any food, and this is not sharp at all. So I'm going to dump it into my Rock Crock slow cooker stand. Now, a lot of you guys already have the Rock Crock. Say that 3 times fast. But you don't realize there's a stand that you can put it into to turn it into like a crock pot deal. So this comes out and goes on the grill, which is normally where people do baked beans if they're grilling outside. But it's too hot for this girl to go outside right now. So, does anybody in here a baked beans fan? Anybody love them some baked beans? I like them. But I like them jazzed up, so that's where this is coming from. And you can Google homemade baked beans. You can do all the things, but I'm here to show you a quick and easy recipe. So easy. So I'm doing 2 cans, again, because we want leftovers. And here's what we're going to add. I'm very excited about this part. And it really smells sugary, so I'm glad I'm not adding the extra. So just kind of watch what the ingredients are that are already in there. And you guys, it says onions, but I'm going to add more onions because we like onions. So I have a white one and a red one. And the recipe that I saw said red, but I'm going to use the white, and I will share the recipe if you like later. But these silicone bags, this has been in my fridge, and I never have cut onion in my fridge, ever. These have been in my fridge for about a week and a half, maybe even 2 weeks for the red one. They're still good to go. My fridge doesn't smell. So this is the bigger size that you can also do boiling in and sous vide or quick cook or multi-cooker. These are adorable for snacks, but I've been using them a lot for storing onions because, let me grab a knife really fast. I don't always use the whole onion, and I hate to always have to throw that other one away. So I'm going to use half for this and half for my homemade burgers that I'm making. I know, I'm getting so good at this. I'm kidding. I'm just really in the mood for homemade burgers. So food chopper chops it up with the greatest of ease. So I'm going to use this half for the beans. And the other half, I have some ground meat. Oh, you just saw a surprise ingredient just go by. Okay, my ground meat's right here for my burgers. Okay, so chop them as thick or as little as you want. And then I just take them and throw them in here. So the flexible mats are nice because you can move and groove, and they go right in the dishwasher. If you guys have these or you just got them recently, which quite a few hosts get these, there is actually a piece that you peel off at the bottom before you use it, and it creates the non-skid on the counter. So don't forget to peel that piece off. A lot of people are like, I've ruined it, it's peeling, because they've washed it or something's going on with it. I'm going to go ahead and chop this even though it's not going to my beans because I want to get it out of the way. And do you notice also I'm not frying with onions, and this is an old onion. Usually older onions are the ones that make you cry. But that bag is magical. I love it. This is my workout for today, you guys. This is it. Don't you worry. Woohoo! All right, party's over. Party's over. Okay, so this comes apart, you guys. Goes right in your dishwasher. You just pull these pieces apart. I'm going to rinse them out first. And then it goes right in your dishwasher. So this is going to go right into my ground meat that I'm not going to make live action because, like, touching raw meat and all that loveliness. Nobody needs to see all that. But I am going to have a video I'll be making to show how to use the burger press. Because I believe the burger press is on sale this month, is I think what I heard. So, here we go. Here are the ingredients. A 1/4 cup of ketchup. I don't care if it has ketchup already. This girl's doing more ketchup. I love some ketchup. All right, my pressure cooker thing has got eggs in it, and so my tag keeps getting in the way. It wants to make a show. 1/4 cup of mustard. And it does have in the recipe I'll share brown sugar, maple, something else. Bacon. The bacon I'm going to leave as is because I just don't want to mess with that right now. But I'm going to add something extra instead of the bacon. And I have my cute little new adorable, I think it's 8-inch skillet. And I did just about a 1/2 pound of ground meat. You could use sausage if you want to really jazz it up. But this is our new scoop, mix and chop spatula. Our mix and chop, breaks up the meat, which I already did. But then it also has drain, so you can throw it in here and scoop it with the same utensil and not have to get another one. Now, the one thing I love about this is the size. The handle length is perfect. I don't know why all my other pieces seem so long, but it's just so cute and a really good size just for everyday stuff. So this has actually just come out with a whole line of silicone new tools that I'm very excited about. So I'm going to put this on low. I might get it going on high for about 30 minutes, but then I'm going to put it on low probably for whenever we eat. And it's also good to mix up stuff too. So I love it that I didn't have to pull 5 different utensils out to put this all together. So the rock crock comes with a lid, a glass lid, and it's going to go for just a while, and then it'll be ready. Tell me what you think. Are you guys baked bean eaters or cooking out this weekend? Let me know. Doodles.